Alright guys, I'm still at this little lot here and I'm not sure if someone is here or not. So I do not want to snoop around too much, but I'm just gonna film these cars by walking by. This Pontiac here is pretty cool. Look at that Thunderbird. Honestly, I would have to do my research now what engine this one has. It's the turbo coupe. I think wasn't there a 4-cylinder in those for a while? I'm not sure. Chrysler here has seen better days, but I think this one's actually probably savable. Looks like it. All right. Well, this guy here is pretty rough again. But it might be that someone is trying to fix up this old Camaro, and it's possible. Doesn't look like it drives though. Okay, let's walk out of here, see if we find something on the way. You know, the gate is wide open and they have cars for sale, so I think people are welcome to drive around, to walk around. Now, I still don't want to be around too much, since I don't know who owns this place and what exactly is going on here. This Monte Carlo here is pretty cool. Wow. I mean, the guy I am, those cars are just too far. The shape is just too rough for me, you know. I wouldn't go for any of them. This Monte Carlo here is pretty cool, but if it would be fixed up, yes. Look how cool this is. Pretty nice badge on there. Is that a Ford Galaxy? I can't remember. I'm tired today. Really cool. Look at this thing here. Yeah, this looks like it's those buses there for the school buses, you know, or the shuttle bus. Look at that sticker there. It's pretty funny. All right, I think we'll end this little tour on this lot right here. And thanks for watching. If you like this, subscribe, push the like button. Let me know what you want to see next time. Leave it in the comments. See you soon.